In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install OneDrive on a Windows 11 PC. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, which is a handy tool for saving and accessing your files from any device connected to the internet. The great news is, if you have Windows 11, OneDrive is already pre-installed on your machine, so you won't need to download anything separate. To get started, click on the Start menu. This is the button with the Windows logo, usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you've opened the Start menu, type OneDrive into the search bar. You should see OneDrive appear in the list of applications. Typically, it will be represented by a cloud icon. This is what you're looking for. At this point, you should identify whether the app is already active on your system. The icon could appear either gray or blue. A gray icon means you aren't currently signed into your OneDrive account, while a blue icon indicates you are. If it's gray, don't worry. We'll cover how to fix that next. Click on the OneDrive icon to open the application. Since OneDrive integrates with your Microsoft account, you'll need to sign in. Enter your Microsoft account email and password when prompted. If you use Windows with an existing Microsoft account, it may automatically use the same login details, but it's always good to double check. Once you've signed in, OneDrive will give you a few on-screen prompts to help you customize how you want it to run. An important part of the setup is deciding the save location on your computer. You want to ensure that your files are stored in a place that's easy for you to remember and access. The default option usually works well for most people, but feel free to edit this path as needed. After choosing your save location, the next step is to select which folders you want to back up. Usually, people back up essential folders like documents, pictures, and even their desktop. Doing this not only keeps your important files secure, but also makes them easier to access from any other device via OneDrive. Follow through with the prompts, and soon you'll finish setting up. Once set, you should see the cloud icon in your taskbar if the app is running in the background. Be sure to check that your files start syncing properly. You can click the OneDrive icon anytime to view the status of your file uploads or to make any changes to your preferences. And there you have it. OneDrive is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 PC. Remember, OneDrive is a fantastic way to ensure your files are safe and accessible from anywhere. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using OneDrive to streamline your digital life.